Welcome to Cooking in a Minute. Today, we're making a delicious hash brown cheese omelet, a family favorite from Jennifer Reisinger of Sheboygan, Wisconsin. This fluffy omelet is filled with potatoes, onion, and green pepper, perfect with toast canned fruit or sliced tomatoes. Let's start. First, chop 1 medium onion and half a cup of green pepper. Then, take 1 to 3/4 cups of thawed, cube hash brown potatoes. In a large skillet coated with non-stick spray, sauté the onion and green pepper. Add the potatoes and cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Now, beat 2 cups of egg substitute with 1/4 cup water and 1/8 teaspoon pepper. Pour this over the vegetables. As the eggs set, lift the edges to let the uncooked portion flow underneath. When the eggs are almost set, place 3 slices of reduced fat American cheese over half of the omelet. Fold it in half and serve it warm. There you have it, a simple yet scrumptious hash brown cheese omelet, ready in minutes.